9 years ago, Oshaberi Doubutsu. 6 years later, I made a Oshaberi Doubutsu little game. This is the result of several months of learning 3D modeling and Unity game development. 9 years have passed. Wow, glossy eyes, flawless skin. Tongue out demonstration. Bunsin no kazu. Color changing demonstration. Oshaberi Doubutsu Asset Pack is available for purchase now. Let me introduce you to the Oshaberi Doubutsu Asset Pack. You will receive the original Blender model files and the 10 Oshaberi Doubutsu sound files by purchasing content. You can use these assets to create your own 3D animations or games. I have a new game in the works and I'm aiming to finish it within this year. If you're interested, please join my Discord channel to receive the latest news. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel.